Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Preferences and jumping straight to Interface. This is the one control that changes the whole UI. Once there, select the darkest color theme square to switch the chrome to dark. Make sure to apply changes and watch panels update immediately. If a panel looks unchanged, restart Photoshop to force a refresh. You're not adjusting documents yet, you're changing the application canvas. So this single step is the primary action and gets you into dark mode fast. Once the UI theme is dark, make the workspace comfortable by setting the canvas and panels to complement it. Right-click the canvas and pick a dark gray or custom color to reduce contrast, and use Window Workspace to reset or save a dark workspace for consistent layout. Make sure panels dock and icons match. If icons remain high contrast, toggle the UI font or icon color options in Preferences. This middle step polishes the look and keeps your focus on design, not glare. To finish, save your dark workspace and test with a couple of files to confirm everything stays dark. Once done, restart Photoshop once more to ensure settings persist. If the theme reverts or panels look wrong, reset Preferences by holding Alt plus Control plus Shift on Windows or Option plus Command plus Shift on Mac while launching. That clears corrupt settings. Make sure your GPU preferences and graphics drivers are current, because outdated drivers can cause UI glitches. Update them and retry if problems continue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.